Thou was not born for death, immortal bird. No hungry generations tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient day by emperor and clown. Perhaps the same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth when sick for home. She stood in tears amid the alien corn, the same that oft times hath charmed magic casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas in fiery lands forlorn. Forlorn, the very word is like a hell to toll me back from thee to my soul self. Adieu, the fancy cannot cheat so well as she's famed to do, deceiving elf. Adieu, adieu, thy plaintive anthem fades past the near meadows, over the still stream, up the hillside, and now this buried deep in the next valley glades. Was it a vision or a waking dream? Fled is that music? Do I wake or sleep?